Harvesting cranberries is a lot of fun. The berries usually grow in bushes in acidic soil, but they are harvested in water. Because hand-picking cranberries takes a long time, so when they are harvested in October each year, the farm pumps water from the cistern into the planting field, harvesting the cranberries in this water, which is about half a meter deep. Cranberry fruits have several hollow ventilation holes inside, so they have the ability to float in water, which is why they are harvested by submerging them with water. The machine carefully knocks the fruit off the stem with a rotating rake, and the cranberries can be seen floating behind. However, extreme care is required when harvesting cranberries. Because cranberries are perennial plants, they can usually live for more than 80 years. By the time the current year's cranberries are harvested, the bushes are already starting to form the second year's fruit. So people can only harvest in the direction of the growth of the bushes. If the machine is driven in the opposite direction, the plant can easily become caught by the machine, which can tear off the roots and destroy the entire plant. After all the cranberries are floating on the water, workers will use floating plastic bags to circle them, and then concentrate their efforts to pull them together, which is also the most labor-intensive part. There's a machine gear at the end, and the cranberries suck in, all the way through this big hose all the way to the top of the truck. Here, the cranberries will be initially cleaned, and debris such as leaves and branches will fall from the mountains. The cranberry berries are loaded directly into the truck. The remaining garbage is jumped into another truck, the water is then filtered and returned to the lake, and the residue is left behind and is harvested in the water. Although cranberries are highly efficient, cranberries harvested this way do not last very long, so they are usually processed into jams.
I get asked all the time what we do with the potatoes that fall through the cracks of the harvester, and the answer is very simple. We bring in field trips. That is right, we bring in grade 2 classes and tell them that it's going to be a field trip, but in reality they are just picking our leftover potatoes. Times are tough, man. You gotta be creative.
Made a farmer. God said I need somebody willing to sit up all night with a newborn colt, watch it die, then dry his eyes and say maybe next year. He'll finish his 40-hour week by Tuesday noon and then paining from tractor back put in another 72 hours. So God made a farmer. All down to the van and dog.
Kurwa, zdech.
Пиздец, мы, блядь, в ловушку попали. Ёбаный спос, как знал, блядь, поехали. Нахуй это надо.
I told my wife I was excited to rake leaves and make leaf bales this year. She laughed and asked, so you can make a new TikTok. Will anyone even like it? Hell yes, wait till you see my new idea. Your ideas always cost too much money.
drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground.
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
If I could melt your heart.
Showed you how we harvested our potatoes, and now it's time to show you how we wash and pack our potatoes. First, it goes through this veg polisher, and then it goes to the Drop Picker 5000. Now, this machine is amazing. Its sole job right now is just pulling out the white potatoes, as well as the potatoes that have some rot or scarring on them. These are all the potatoes that have been booted, and then after that, the potatoes get a hand grade. Now, this job may look fun, but I can promise you it is mind-numbing. The potatoes then get a mechanical size where it goes into 3 different sizes. These potatoes are looking absolutely beautiful. And I did find this ultra rare looking potato here, 1 in a million. So I am selling it online. Holler at me if you want to build that potato collection.
Sabah balya basarım, akşam sana basarım bebeğim.
Under their feet, in itself like a first-class seat on the plains of Oklahoma.
What if Katy Perry listened to Hardstyle?
Caught my attention. I kissed a girl, but I did. The taste of her cherry.
The way I talk, guess I got it from my pops. Product of some kneeling down in a town where the doors don't lock. And there's a million other people like me from a scene a little more podunk than pop. I didn't choose being born in the sticks, now be